Hi, welcome to all for learning Python GUI. In this video, we'll see how to design simple GUI in Python. GUI means graphical user interface. So first step, we should import required packages. Here the packages should be tkinter. We should start the line from tkinter import start. Next, we have to give the variable name and we should assign as tk. After that, we have to give the geometry size for a GUI frame. Here I have given 500 into 500 for length and width for a frame. The next step, provide a appropriate title to your form. Here I have given registration form as a title. After that, we have to use a label provided with font size, font style and place the label in the frame. Once the title has given, the next step is label creation for name and email ID. So provide the name and email ID, apply the font style and font size, width and place. Here I have given x is 80 and y is 130 for providing a name, and for email the place is x is 68 and y is 180, creating a radio button. In the label I have given gender, font style, font size has given, and place is x equal to 70 and y equal to 230 has given. So here no need to type the gender for male and female. I have given the radio button. By using this radio button, we can click either male or female. Creating a list. So in the list, I have used as a label name is country. For choose, I given India, US, UK and China. As a user, from the any of the one can pick from the list. Creating a check button. 2 check button has given. One is for choosing a English language or German. User can choose from any of the one here. Finally, submit button has given, and here BG has given is green and for foreground is red. Once this program is given, root.main loop is mandatory. For running a program, I have given the shortcut which is F5. After that, save your Python file. The extension is .py. Here registration form has run successfully. I given the name, email, gender I have chosen, country has given, and the language I have chosen is English. Finally, submit the button. Thank you all.